Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the Liquidity Map EA. So it's a gold scalper built around the idea of trading liquidity sweeps rather than classic indicators. A quick note for you before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. So Liquidity Map is built for MetaTrader 4. Let's just walk through the marketplace page from the top right away. It is developed by Sadaf Noreen, currently on version 3.0 with 10 activations. The EA is priced at 949 US dollars. I'll say upfront that this listing leans heavily into promotional language. Phrases like unlock the power of institutional trading, and calling itself one of the best EAs of the year show up throughout. So I'll focus on the actual functional claims rather than the marketing framing. All right. Now, according to the description, the core idea here is detecting liquidity sweeps, moments where price dips just below a recent low or spikes just above a recent high and then quickly reverses, which the page frames as institutional stop hunts before the real move begins. A bullish sweep is described as price dipping below a low and recovering, okay, triggering a buy signal, while a bearish sweep is the mirror image on the sell side. On features, the page describes margin protection that calculates lot size based on account balance and reduces risk automatically when funds are low. A trailing stop to lock in profit as price moves favorably, a time filter defaulting to the 1800 to 2300 window to avoid quieter hours, and auto lot sizing based on a risk percentage you set. The page also references a fail-safe leverage system meant to protect against margin errors even if broker data has issues. So that is the developer's own description, and I'll treat it as a claim on the page rather than something independently verified. Now, with respect to the recommended settings, the page suggests the 1 minute time frame for high frequency scalping, XAUUSD specifically, an ECN raw or pro account type, a minimum balance of $500 or more, and starting risk at 1% with auto lot enabled by default. Now let us get into the historical testing, and there is an important caveat to raise before looking at the numbers. So I ran this on a $10,000 account, and of course I ran it on gold on the M1 time frame as recommended, okay, covering roughly 3 months. All right, but the test, the duration of the trades, or rather the period where the trades were executed, seemed to be roughly 2 months within a broader selected period. So the modeling quality for this particular test came out to just under 25%, which is genuinely low. Okay, you can see the modeling quality here. It's genuinely low, meaning a large portion of the price data behind this test was approximated rather than reconstructed from real tick level detail. So with that caveat in mind, here is what the test showed. All right. The total net profit came out to $7,281.9 with a profit factor of 1.22 and maximum drawdown contained to 4.42%. All right. Now, out of 3,545 total trades, which is a very high frequency, consistent with an M1 scalping approach, around 81% were profitable, with the largest single win at $150 against the largest single loss of $50. Okay, so now on the surface, those are strong numbers. right? A high win rate, a large sample of trades, and contained drawdown. But given the modeling quality here, it sits under 25%. I don't think this particular test is a reliable read on how Liquidity Map actually performs. Okay, low modeling quality means that the underlying tick data couldn't be reconstructed with much precision. All right, and that matters enormously for an M1 scalping strategy where exact entry and exit timing is everything. Okay, so before we wrap up, let's just also go look at the let us go look at the EA in action. I'm just going to turn on the visuals, and then can just briefly see how the EA looks like in action. All right, so this is it. It doesn't seem to have a unique display of its own. All right, but you can see there's important information here. This dashboard showing the EA name, the balance, equity, spread, time, and magic number. And you can see how the EA does its thing, right? Identifying opportunities in the market, executing the trades accordingly alongside the SL and TP respectively. Okay, so now just to wrap up, based on the available information, Liquidity Map is built around a specific understandable price action concept. Okay, which is trading the rejection after a liquidity sweep. But this particular backtest's low data quality means that I can't treat the strong looking numbers here as trustworthy. All right. So, given how much scalping strategies depend on precise tick level execution, I am just going to recommend that you rerun this specifically with high quality real tick data before drawing any conclusions. Okay, and it's very important to treat the promotional claims on the listing, right? You can see on the MQL5 marketplace listing all those promotional claims. It's going to be important to treat them with the same caution, okay, that I'll apply to any bold marketing language. All right, so if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Okay, and don't forget to share the video with other trader friends who you think are going to find it valuable. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.